Hello everybody, welcome back. So, crabgrass season, and as you can see, for the most part we're doing pretty okay. That's because of the round of pre-emergence that we did back in March. We have a couple little guys popping up. This area, it's not really part of my lawn. It's all crabgrass, this was untreated. But as you can see, we're doing a lot better than the neighbor. It's a clear line where crabgrass grows freely and where it's fairly controlled. Now we're dealing with a lot of heat stress. We've been in a heat wave. But around this time, once I see the crabgrass starting to pop up again, I like to go back, do another round of the herbicides that we use for the pre-emergence. So in this case, I'll be using Tenacity and Triclopyr 4. Spray down the lawn again, let that sit for a bit, water it in, just to control all this crabgrass for the rest of the season. But yeah, you could see that a lot more over here than there is over here. So obviously a couple of these are gonna carry over from the neighbor's yard. That's what we'll do. And it just shows you how important pre-emergence are early spring. Because over here, there's no crabgrass. So the only real problem area that we have is what's carrying over from the neighbor's yard. And like I said, this is what I like to use for my weed control. We have Tenacity. In this case, I use 2 teaspoons, 4 gallons of water. Covers about 4,000 square feet. Triclopyr 4. This is about an ounce per gallon per 1,000 square feet. That covers my lawn. Lay these down, and you saw previously how our lawn is for the most part controlled with the weeds, and the neighbor's weeds are coming in trying to creep into our lawn. So I'm going to spray it again, spray down that patch that I showed you by the fire hydrant, and I'll show you what that looks like in a week or so. Thanks again. Take care.